Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Lush unboxing for you guys. They were so kind to send me their Christmas range. So what I do know about it is that, and it's open, but I haven't went through it. I still got the peanuts in there and everything. But what I do know is that these items, the Christmas items, are available online as of now, and I think they are to launch in the stores on November the 1st. So if you like to just go in the store and do some shopping, you can check this stuff out November 1st, but otherwise you can check it out online. Whatever is in here, I'm not sure what it is yet. I will link the items down below in case you want to purchase any of them. But I want to jump right into this. I am super excited by this. We all love, well, I know I love Lush. They have some really nice bath products. The last package they sent me, the hair products we have actually been using, and look, I have the hair honey right here, and I've been using that in my hair and I love it. Everything else we love as well, but I know that I do love that hair honey. But enough about that. I'm gonna start with this one. So what I see on the top is ho ho ho, hold up. Okay, I'm gonna refrain, or I'm gonna digress from what I was gonna say with that one. Did Santa just arrive early? So that's this, and see, I don't want to look in there yet. It has, I think, what's in the box in here, in that paper. So it says, looks like you made it to the nice list. Our Christmas collection launches online October 15th and in store November 1st. But we decided to make Christmas come a little early just for you. And this Christmas, we're inviting you to get ethical. And a few more things on here. So that's what that says. Now, what I can see is a few things sitting on top. So I'm going to pull that out before I move all of the peanuts. So the first thing I see is this right here. It says Santa's on his way, bath melt. Oh, okay. It looks like that. Let me open it up so you can see it. And it's a pink bar of soap. Ooh, ooh, it smells so good. I don't even know what the fragrance is on that one, but it smells yummy. So it's a pink bar of soap on a rope. There's a chimney, and that's Santa's feet coming down the chimney, and it's plain on the back, but it's super cute. Now I have to open this and read what it says. Okay, so Santa's on his way. And in case you guys don't know, their soaps and their bath bombs and stuff, they are, I believe most of them or all of them are vegan, just so you know. It says all of these products are 100% vegan and self-preserving. So this one is a bath oil tablet. Wishing for soft skin for Christmas, simply sink into this fruity, that's what I smell, fruity tangerine and I don't know what that word is. Illipe, I-L-L-I-P-E butter. Illipe. Now I'm gonna have to look that up. Illipe butter soak. So you drop this in the bath and you can soak with it, and it's a bath oil tablet. I've never even seen anything like that. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so the next thing I see is SNOWFLAKE body lotion. How to use: smooth all over your body, taking extra care with the dry areas. Rose water soothes and reduces redness in stressed out skin. Okay, so off the top, I've said it many times, I don't like flower scents, so I'm hoping that this doesn't really smell like roses. Oh, it's nice and thick. I thought it was gonna be kind of watery, but it looks like a souffle. Ooh, that's really nice and thick. Ooh, okay. So, oh, it smells so fresh and sweet. Oh, I like that. It kind of smells like, it doesn't really smell like rose to me. It kind of reminds me of, I don't know, I want to say strawberry or like candy cane, like a mixture. That's weird, but it smells really, really good. It's nice and thick. It's not watery. And I can tell, you guys can't tell, but my hands are like, it's moisturized, super moisturized. It actually has the look and feel of like oil on my hand, but not slippery and messy, but like really, really hydrating and moisturizing. So far I like this. I'm gonna keep using it. And what it says about it is blanket skin and lightweight moisture with the delicate sweet scent of marzipan. So that's what I was smelling. So on the package it says rose water. I guess it just has rose water in it, but the sweet scent of marzipan. So that's what it smells like. That's why I smell that sweet smell. Okay, I like that. I don't know what the prices are right now, but I will put them on the screen in case you guys want to know what the prices are before you go to the website. Okay, so now I have to get all of these peanuts out of the way, and I'll pull everything else out, and I'll come right back. Okay, so I think I got everything out of there. So what I pulled out is, let's see, this first thing, it says Yog Nog shower gel, cozy up to a creamy caramel scented lathers with a touch of spicy clove. Let's see what that says. Shower gel, creamy caramel scented lathers, leave you feeling soft and smelling sweet. And it does come with the top on it, so you have to pull that off. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells so good. Caramel, no wonder, because it's caramel. I love even all of my perfumes. When I'm looking for perfume, I love the scent of like caramel, chocolate, vanilla, tonka bean, like all of those scents. So this, oh yeah, I'm about to use this. Oh, I'll be using that tonight. Oh my goodness. It says get naked, hop in the shower, and lather up. Yog Nog. If you love the smell of sweet or caramel or something like that, you definitely want to try this. This smells so good. And what I didn't mention is that it has like this kind of gold look to it. You can't see it, but it looks like a metallic gold, and you can see like the sprinkles of like gold in it. It's really pretty. It looks like pearl. So I see that. Then the next thing I see is Drummer's Drumming Shower Jelly. The last time they sent me that shower jelly, it was purple. Was it the purple? Let me see. Let me make sure I'm saying that right. Oh no, it was the Galaxy one. My daughter loved it. She used it, and what I didn't know, the other video that I did for you guys was that you actually, it's like that. Look at that. It's like a Jello. This is so cool. And it says wet the jelly and lather up, clean skin, and rinse with warm water. So I don't want to grab it right now, but this would make a super cool gift for like somebody, like a teen or a kid or whatever, because all you do is they hold it. Now if you have somebody in your family that loves slime, it's not slimy, but it has the consistency of slime. You actually can hold this in the shower and you hold it and wash with it, and it's so cool. Look, it's jiggly like Jello. I think these are so cool. Oh, and it smells good. Which one? What was that? Let me see. Cleanse. Agave syrup helps winter skin hold on to moisture. So then I just pop it right back in there. That is so cool. So this one is Drummer's Drumming. The one for Halloween was something Galaxy, but it was really pretty and purple. So this one says drum up fruity softening lathers with fresh peach juice and hydrating agave syrup. So that's what I'm smelling out of this one. Love it, love it. Okay, moving on. We have Cookie Dough Shower Scrub. Buff your body. I love all scrubs. You guys know that. If you've been following me for a long time, I always talk about exfoliating. I have a bunch of exfoliates that I use on my lips, under your arms, your feet, everywhere. I love to exfoliate. So this one is called Cookie Dough. Buff your body with the bakery fresh scent of vanilla absolute and hazelnut oil. I have high hopes for this before I even open it. So before I open it, it says scrub up nice with a hydrating blend of almond and hazelnut oils plus buffing bits of salt and sugar. Okay, I have high hopes for this fragrance. Ooh, it looks like that. Nice and thick. Let's see. Oh, it smells so good. I wish it would have had a little bit more of a, like a cinnamon brown sugar smell. I smell brown sugar, but maybe the caramel and the cinnamon scent. I don't know, I'm just thinking of like, I guess I'm thinking of gingerbread, like a gingerbread cookie. This just says cookie dough. It smells just like cookie dough, but I guess I was hoping for like a cinnamon, you know, that kind of gingerbread fragrance. But it's really nice. It has the vanilla and the hazelnut oil in it. And I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see. Oh, it's real thick and like a mousse. So I was gonna try to see what the granules feel like. I'm not sure yet, so I will try that one out. I have 3 more items in front of me. I see this little thing right here. It says Galaxy Lip Scrub. Soften and smoothen lips with an out of this world raspberry flavored scrub. Okay, and I just talked about loving scrubs. So it looks like this. Really pretty turquoise color. Oh, it smells like candy. Why does it smell like a pixie stick? You know, the little paper things that you pour the powder out? Oh my gosh, that's what that smells like. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Wait, do I have mine right here? No, I don't. I usually keep my lip scrub on the counter. It's somewhere around here, but I love lip scrubs and stuff, so I can't wait to try this out. I cannot wait to try that, and it smells so good. Okay, so the last 2 items are wrapped up like this. And let's see, let's do this one. Rudolph Bath Bomb. It says, oh dear, cozy up with this sweet marzipan scented silk brimming with skin softening cocoa butter. And the picture is really cute. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. I wonder if this is that. I wonder, do you take these out? Or is it that, you guys seen that that paper that dissolves, the dissolving paper? When I used to make soap long time ago, I used to use the dissolving paper, and what I would do was I would use the way you print on it. It's a certain way that you have to print on it, and I would put little sayings on it, and I would make clear glycerin soap, and I would place the writing inside of the soap. So when you use your soap, you can make little notes or whatever for somebody. Like it could say, I love you in the person's name. Yeah, I used to create soap. That's another reason why I love Lush and products like this, because it kind of makes me feel like I should have kept doing what I was doing. And I had a really nice store online. It just got too big for me. People was ordering too much. I couldn't keep up with it, and it was just me. But I was a lot younger. If I could do it all over again, I would know what to do now. But anyway, so I'm wondering if these are dissolving papers that you could just drop the whole thing and it dissolves. Otherwise, I would just pull the little antlers out. But it's a little bath bomb that looks like that with a red nose for Rudolph. And it smells very good. It's called, well, what's in it? Soap brimming. I just see marzipan and cocoa butter. So that's what I see. This is so cute. I've never seen a bath bomb with antlers. That is so cute. Okay, so that was that one. And then the last one that I see wrapped up nice and neat like this is called Don't Let the Bells End Amaze Ball. Let's start over. Don't Let the Bells End Amaze Ball Bath Bomb. Amaze Ball. Wow. Okay, so let's get this open. Okay, wow. That's a big bath bomb. Look at that. And it has some bells on the top. But look at the size of that compared to like this one. Look at that. Super big. Okay, so let me read about this because I don't know what I'm doing with it. So it says, if heady ylang ylang and nostalgic almond oils ring your bell, you won't want this bath to end. We love to be naked, and this baby acts as its own packaging. So that's what it says. Okay, so let's see. I think, keep saying, oh. So the top comes off. Hold on, let me research this one real quick. Okay, so the top comes off, and inside you have some like powder crystals. Look at that crystal rock right there. And all of this stuff, I don't want to pour it all out, but you can pour it into the bath. So you can go open the top of this, pour it in the bath, and just soak in the crystals and the powder that's in here. or you can just drop the whole thing in there, or you can just drop this piece in there. So you have like 3 different things going on. Or if you just want like a major experience, you just drop this whole thing in there, watch it dissolve, bubble up, color the water and all that. And it's really, really cool. So I didn't even know anything about this. I just had to research that, but I'm loving those like crystals in there. There's a few big ones in there too. That is so cool. I am definitely going to give this one to my daughter. I know she's going... I thought that was Pooh Bear. I know she's gonna get a kick out of this one, and this one was called Don't Let the Bells End Amaze Ball Bath Bomb. So that is everything that they sent over to me. So if you are starting to look for your like Christmas gifts to give to family members or to yourself, then I will link everything down below if you want to check any of these out. Lush is a really, really nice product. I know a lot of people leave comments and they'll say, oh, I've never had Lush, or I've never purchased Lush, or whatever. Like I said, they are vegan. I think all of their products are vegan, but don't quote me on that. But they have really nice quality bath bombs and products, and I'm not just saying that because they sent this to me. If you've been following me for years, when I first started YouTube, I did a giant Lush haul. Like, I've been shopping with Lush for a very long time, and it's just really cool that they reached out to me to even send me packages so I can share them with you guys. But I love their products, really nice quality. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna wrap this up. I have some stuff I gotta go do. Thank you guys all for watching, and yeah, it's time to get ready for Christmas. So thank you again, and I'll talk to you real soon in my next video. Bye.